This month's inspirational icon is the famous Greek philosopher Aristotle. Aristotle was born in 384 BC in Stagirus, Greece. He contributed to almost every field of human knowledge in existence at that time. He was also the founder for several new fields of knowledge. He believed that God gave man intellect in order to contemplate the universe, making the most important quality of a man his ability to philosophize. At the age of 18, he went to study at Plato's academy for 20 years. Plato's teachings served as a basis for Aristotle's philosophies. Aristotle was the first to consider the speed of objects' movements quantitatively. He came up with the idea that the speed at which an object falls is inversely affected by the density of the medium it falls through. Aristotle considered the concept of infinity, saying that while there cannot be an actual infinity because numbers by definition are countable, there still must be a potential infinity because any number can be divided over and over and over again. During the time of Aristotle, it was believed that there were 4 elements that made up the natural world: air, earth, fire, and water. Aristotle added a 5th element to the list: ether. The 5th element consisted of the heavenly bodies, or planets and stars as we know them. Aristotle also made an impact in the field of biology as one of the first people to classify animals, separating them in categories such as animals with blood and animals without blood, which today are known as vertebrates and invertebrates. In 335 BC, Aristotle opened his own lyceum, his version of an academy, which he ran for over 12 years. Throughout his life, he studied almost every subject possible: anatomy, astronomy, geography, ethics, government, economics, politics, education, literature, poetry, physics, psychology, and more. Aristotle returned to Stagirus, Greece, where he died of natural causes in 322 BC. At the time of his death, Aristotle was just 62 years old. Aristotle is this month's inspirational icon because he always felt there was more to learn about the natural world. He was vital in creating many of the mathematical and scientific concepts that we know and use today. He showed us that there's always something more to be discovered.